7th class. Here is Miss Anju Malik and we are having the day 4 of week 5. We are keeping the same topic of chapter number 1, that is earthquakes and the volcanoes. Dear students, we have completed the first topic, that is the earthquake. Now we are going to move to the second part of this chapter, that is the volcanism. Let me tell you what is volcanism. Volcanism actually refers to the process by which materials such as magma and gases from the inside the earth are forced into the earth surface. Let me more about the volcanism. The movement of magma towards or onto the surface. And how does magma flow? It moves in bubbles of molten rocks to flow towards the surface until the pressure equalizes or the materials cool. And what does it mean when magma breaks the surface? When magma breaks the surface, it is a volcanic eruption and the magma is called lava. Dear students, I am having a very interesting video which will reveal you that how volcanic eruption reveals and what sort of the experience the areas faced.
The four main types of volcanoes. A volcano is an opening in the Earth's surface where molten rock can escape. The Earth's crust is made up of tectonic plates that shift and move. Volcanoes are often located at the fault lines between these plates. Cinder cone volcanoes occur when lava is ejected from a volcanic vent. Lava is shot into the air and pieces accumulate around the vent. This creates a circular or oval-shaped cone with a bowl-shaped crater at the top. Composite volcanoes contain a conduit system that channels magma to the surface. These volcanoes can have clusters of vents along the sides of the mountain where lava flows out. Shield volcanoes are large, broad volcanoes where lava pours out in thin layers, allowing it to travel farther down the shallow slopes. They build up slowly, with hundreds of eruptions creating many layers. Lava domes are created when small masses of thick lava can't flow far from the source, so domes pile up around the vent. The dome grows by expansion of lava from within, and the mountain forms from material spilling off the sides of the dome. It's about to blow! Erupting volcano forces island-wide evacuation. Residents are being evacuated after a volcano on one of Vanuatu's northern islands began to erupt. The Monaro volcano in Ambae is a shield volcano whose summit features 3 crater lakes. The volcano began releasing ash and toxic gas in September and is now spewing rocks and lava amid repeated explosions. Many of the island's water sources are polluted by the eruption, leaving thousands without access to safe drinking water. Islanders are being ferried off the island by an assortment of ships and boats. Others have flown out to safety as the Vanuatu government wants all 11,000 residents evacuated by October 6th. The Monaro eruption poses a serious threat, especially with the possibility of deadly volcanic mud called lahar overflowing down the mountain. The volcano last erupted in 2005. Half of the island's population was evacuated and couldn't return until at least 3 months later. Bali's Mount Agung is ready to go bang. This is Bali's scenic Mount Agung volcano. It's been quiet for 5 decades, but experts are warning it's now ready to blow. Indonesian officials have marked several danger zones for a potential Mount Agung eruption and